Good morning and good afternoon for those of you east of Washington State. Hi, my name is Scott Clayton, and I'm the Engagement Director for Advaiya Solutions, and we would like to thank you for taking the time to join us for our Right Size Data webinar. Today, we will cover several different types of data sources, the need for and the different types of data sources out there, the continuum of data analysis, different maturity models, and best practices for their use. Components of data infrastructure, description, and the cloud, data initiatives, roadmap, and the journey. And the one thing that I would like to add, that the journey is never ending. It's a continuous event. And that's a great thing because it ensures that we're getting better at using data and more solutions are coming across our lap. So with that, what I'd love to do is turn it over to Dharmesh Gupta, who is our Chief Technical Officer and the President of Advaiya Solutions.
Hey, good morning, everybody. Thanks, Scott. So as Scott talking about our topic of the day today, talking about how we can go about data-driven organization. So we'll start with that. We'll go into the details about data-driven organization. And then we will talk about different kind of elements and different type of components, different kind of considerations, aspects, concepts that we need to think about when we are talking about data-driven organization, different kind of initiatives, what kind of roadmap we are going to take. So we'll go about those. So welcome to this event, and we hope that you gain the right value out of this webinar today. With that, I'm handing over to Jordan Weiss to talk about our rules and some announcements that he wants to make.
Thank you, Dharmesh. So thank you everyone for joining again. We understand how hard it is to get started, and as a way of saying thank you for everyone that's attending, we're going to do a complimentary meeting follow-up to give you a tailored solution for your individual needs and start really putting you on a roadmap for success. So some quick ground rules that we want to cover is please use the chat window for comments and questions during the presentation, and we'll review those towards the end. And then just to let everyone know, we are recording this session and we can share it afterwards. So I want to go in and kind of give you guys a brief introduction of myself. So I have been involved in various technology sectors for the past decade plus, from driving sales and business development to launching successful go-to-market strategies and solutions. I've always tried to challenge myself to lean into new emerging technology solutions, as I truly believe that change energizes us. I have a passion and commitment around making technology conversations comfortable for all to have while staying customer obsessed and invested in your overall satisfaction as clients. Currently with Advaiya, I'm driving our customer engagement and development, and I am truly honored and excited to be here today. So now I'll hand it over to Scott to briefly introduce himself. Go ahead, Scott.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Scott Clayton, and I am the Engagement Director for Advaiya Solutions. I began my career as an SDR with the Microsoft Dynamics teams, and through the years I worked in Azure department, ERP, CRM, Power BI down the line, and then I moved on to several other different software companies. And one of the things that has always driven me about technology is that it's ever changing and that you have an opportunity to learn something every day, which I find extremely exhilarating. And my role with Advaiya is I oversee engagement for the corporation. So with that, let me turn it over to Dharmesh Gupta, who again is our President and Chief Technical Officer.
Thank you, Scott. Hello again. As Scott mentioned, I'm the President and CTO of Advaiya Solutions. As I have been working in the technology space for more than 20-30 years now, and I have got, again, bunch of experiences creating different kind of business applications, business architecture. And I kind of take pride in basically presenting myself as your technology partner extension kind of working towards your goals, working towards my customers' goals, working towards gaining the best out of technology for yourselves. So with that, let me introduce something about our company. Advaiya Solutions, as we basically go about, our main goal is to get technology to work for you. So with making technology work as our main motto, what we do is we work with your organization to create value within the technology investments that you have made. We are system integrators with the sole purpose of making technology useful and valuable for you. That's where our tailored services, when we talk about tailored services, this is basically made for you kind of thing, kind of comes in. We make our we use your technology investments to bring out the best solution for you. We do that by going through the strategy development, creating a roadmap, start implementing, working on those roadmaps, executing on those roadmap solution, work on insights and kind of intelligence out of it so that we can apply that back into strategy development. We have multiple solution spaces. The decision making, that's where our today's webinar kind of belongs in, is more about data-driven solutions, data-driven reporting and analytical optimized solutions. And then comes in customer experiences, where business applications kind of help in enhancing the customer experience that you are providing to different customers of yours. It includes related with the solutions related with customer relationship management or field services management, or optimizing your operations to provide the best value to your customers. Then goes into business productivity, where we empower your organization to take the best use of different kind of technologies that are available in order to be more productive and kind of create the best business value for your business. All of these kind of combine into what we call it as a technology-led innovation, because a lot of new technologies coming in and trying to identify solutions which can help your organization to utilize various technology enhancements that are coming in, like artificial intelligence, IoT, cloud-based solutions, things like those. So with that, Jordan, please go ahead and talk about our history and how we came over here.
Thank you, Dharmesh. So Advaiya has been working with some of the largest and most demanding customers for the last 15 years. We've been with from Microsoft and Google to Cisco and Adani. Advaiya has completed well over 1,000 products for some of the most aggressive technology users. We have been very fortunate to be a part of these companies' journeys as a Microsoft Gold partner, AWS partner, and Oracle NetSuite partner. So now let's start our journey into data, and I'll kick it back over to Dharmesh and Scott.